Your title is the single most powerful algorithm trigger on YouTube. It is not just a label. It is a direct instruction to YouTube's recommendation engine, telling it exactly who should see your video, how urgently to push it, and what category to place it in. Today, I am breaking down the exact title engineering framework that turns browse features into a predictable growth engine. I will show you the 4 trigger patterns, the 3-part title architecture, and the testing system that removes all guesswork. One limitation up front: great titles get clicks, but your content still needs to retain viewers. Titles open the door. Retention keeps people inside. Let me explain exactly what happens when you type a title into the upload box. YouTube's algorithm processes your title through 3 distinct systems running simultaneously. System 1 is natural language processing. YouTube extracts topic entities, viewer intent signals, and semantic meaning from every word you write. It understands synonyms, context, and even implied audience segments. System 2 is the recommendation matching engine. Once YouTube understands what your video is about, it matches those signals against millions of user watch histories. It asks, which viewers have recently watched content with similar topic signals? System 3 is the click prediction model. Before your video reaches a single real viewer, YouTube's machine learning model estimates your click-through rate based on title-thumbnail combinations it has seen perform well in the past. Here is what this means for you as a creator. A vague title like "My Thoughts on YouTube" forces the algorithm to guess who might want this. It has no clear topic entity, no intent signal, no audience segment. So it shows your video to a tiny test audience and waits. A precise title like "The 3 Upload Rule That Got Me 10,000 Subscribers in 90 Days" gives the algorithm a clear instruction. It knows the topic is YouTube growth, the audience is small creators, and the intent is tactical education. The algorithm can immediately find the right viewers. After analyzing thousands of high-performing titles across dozens of niches, I have identified 4 patterns that consistently trigger algorithmic push. These are not clickbait formulas. They are signal patterns that help the algorithm classify and distribute your content faster. Pattern 1 is the specificity trigger. Replace every vague word with an exact number or named method. The word "sum" becomes 3. The word "tips" becomes the framework. The phrase "how to grow" becomes the 3 upload rule that got me 10,000 subscribers. Specificity tells the algorithm your content has density and structure. It also tells viewers exactly what they will get, which increases click-through rate and reduces bounce. Pattern 2 is the curiosity trigger. This creates an information gap in the viewer's mind that can only be resolved by clicking. The most reliable curiosity structures use why, how, or a direct contradiction. For example, why most YouTube advice is destroying your channel. The viewer already believes they are following good advice. The contradiction creates tension. They need to click to resolve it. The key rule with curiosity triggers: the gap must be resolved within the first 60 seconds of your video. If you bait and never pay off, your retention crashes and the algorithm punishes you. Pattern 3 is the authority trigger. This signals insider knowledge, earned experience, or proven results. Phrases like "after 500 videos," "the framework nobody teaches," or "what I learned spending $50,000 on ads" tell both the viewer and the algorithm that this content comes from depth, not surface-level regurgitation. Authority triggers work because YouTube's quality signals include watch time and satisfaction metrics. Viewers who click authority titles tend to watch longer because they expect substance. Pattern 4 is the urgency trigger. Time-bound or consequence-driven language creates immediate click pressure. Phrases like "before your next upload," "stop doing this immediately," or "why your channel is dying right now" compress the decision timeline. The viewer feels that waiting has a cost. Urgency triggers are the most powerful for browse traffic because they compete directly against every other thumbnail on the home page. But they are also the easiest to overuse. If every title sounds like an emergency, your audience develops fatigue. Now that you understand the trigger patterns, let me show you how to assemble them into a complete title using the 3-part architecture. Every high click-through rate title follows this structure, whether the creator knows it or not. Part 1 is the hook word. This is the first 2 to 3 words of your title. Its only job is to stop the scroll. It must create instant tension, surprise, or promise within the first visual scan. Examples of strong hook words: stop making, I deleted, nobody tells you the real reason. These phrases create immediate cognitive engagement because they either challenge an assumption or promise exclusive information. Part 2 is the value core. This is the specific outcome, method, or transformation being taught. It directly answers the viewer's question: what will I learn or gain by watching this? Strong value cores are concrete and measurable. Not improve your videos but double your click-through rate. Not grow faster but gain your first 1,000 subscribers. Part 3 is the context anchor. This grounds the title in a relatable situation, time frame, or metric that makes the value feel achievable and relevant right now. It answers, why should I care about this today? Context anchors include time frames like in 30 days, situations like with zero budget, or proof metrics like that grew my channel to 100,000. Here is the complete formula in action. Hook, stop writing. Value core, titles that kill your click-through rate. Context anchor, I tested 200 alternatives. Combined, stop writing titles that kill your CTR. I tested 200 alternatives. Each part serves both the human reader scanning their home feed and the algorithm's classification and distribution system. Title engineering is not a creative guessing game. It is a systematic testing process that gets better with every video you publish. Step 1. Write 10 title variations for every single video before you upload. Not 3, not 5, 10. This forces you past the obvious first idea into more creative territory. Step 2. Run the curiosity test. Show your top 3 titles to someone unfamiliar with the topic. Ask them, what do you expect to learn from this video? If they cannot answer in one clear sentence, the title is too vague. Rewrite. Step 3. Check algorithm alignment. Take your title's core phrase and search it on YouTube. Look at the top 10 results. If those videos match your content type, format, and audience level, the algorithm already has a proven distribution path for that topic signal. If the results are completely different from your video, your title is sending the wrong signal. Step 4. Use data to iterate. Track click-through rate changes when you update titles on older videos. YouTube's built-in analytics show you impressions click-through rate for every video. Test a new title, wait 48 hours, and compare. This compounds over time. Every title test teaches you which trigger patterns and hook words work best for your specific audience. To recap, YouTube reads your title as an algorithm instruction, not just a label. Use the 4 trigger patterns to signal value clearly. Build every title with the 3-part architecture: hook, value core, and context anchor, and test 10 variations before every upload. In the next episode, I am breaking down hook writing, the first 15 seconds that determine whether your viewer stays or leaves forever. Subscribe to the AI Blueprint, and I will see you in the next one.